you received your new Softstar shoes. Built with barefoot comfort in mind, these flexible shoes allow your feet to move as nature intended. The journey begins at a workshop in Oregon when you select your colors of eco-friendly leather. We cut out the pattern and carefully stitch together your design. Next, we turn the leather uppers right side out and bond them to the soles. After we press, trim, and add finishing touches, we mail your shoes in a zero-waste package. Now your journey begins to happier, healthier feet. Softstar, strong from the ground up.